All right, so for UK-based St. Elizabeth-raised comedian Harry Gregory, what started out as a career as a comedic food critic has recently blossomed into a restaurant called Patwah Kitchen. It's a joint venture with longtime friend and head chef Jerome Shakespeare, and they're with me now. Take a guess.
Yes, sir. Wagwan.
No, there, my brother. Take a guess who named Harry Whiteyardy Gregory. Take a guess.
I am that, man.
Harry, let me start with you, St. Elizabeth based. Tell me a little bit about that and how you end up, where you end up, and why you're doing what you're doing. Let's start with you leaving us here in Jamaica.
Well, yeah, man, you know, St. Elizabeth, Black River, that's where I'm from originally. And, you know, just when you get to a certain age, and especially around Black River, them like to class Black River as a ghost town. So because of that, you know, everybody leaves at a certain age and so forth. So when I got to the age of 17, going on to 18, I decided, say, yo, want to experience something different. And, you know, I took the trip to England and ended up in South London, Peckham. And yeah, it was just from there, that's how it happened.
When someone sees the way you look and hear the way you speak, what them say?
You know, it's shock, isn't it? Like, them not really used to seeing this. You know what I mean? Them when them associate Jamaica, to them is just black people. You know what I mean? And they don't understand that Jamaica is a multicultural country as well. You know what I mean? Yes, it's predominantly black people, but yo, we have everybody there. That's why the motto name out of many one people, because there's loads of different people there.
Yeah. Just before I go to Jerome, so you are what? You're a comedian, you are what? What exactly are you right now?
I'm a comedian. I am a comedian. That's what I do. That's what I've been doing for the last 9 years. You know, I've been touring around the UK, touring Canada and America with it as well. It's just due to the recent COVID situations and I haven't had a chance to be touring again.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, comedian full time, and being a comedian turned into other things as well, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because of the type of videos that I do online.
Yeah, your routine is Jamaican, worldwide, what?
Me tell comedy, you know, funny is funny, you know, so from once your joke is on point, people get it, you understand? So it's not just about telling jokes just about Jamaica lifestyle or me being Jamaican, but tell different type of joke, you understand? So I have relatable jokes about relationship or being a father, being a partner, all these different type of things. And then we have the joke them where the educational, to teach the people them a bit about the Jamaican culture as well. You know what I mean?
All right.
So I try to mix in many different elements into my material.
Yeah, I just going to warn you that before you go, you have to give about a little 30-second joke before we go. Jerome, your time now. Tell me about this connection, Jerome. You're a chef.
Yes, my boss.
You're a chef. How you get involved in comedy?
Well, it's not comedy, you know. This one is not comedy, you know. It's more of a explore my own business, you know what I'm saying? Because what it is, you know, I come from Kingston 14, Jamaica, you know, and come to England when I was like, 8, 9, and obviously, you know, then I'm told the food downtown is like regularly on the road, you understand? So these are the kind of things that I grew up with. And while I come here, I studied hospitality and catering in college. Ended up did an apprenticeship class with Jamie Oliver 15. And then, yeah, Jamie Oliver ended up bringing me to Italy and make me, you know, do some great things. You get me? So after all of that, I just start. All of that just inspired me to just, you know, stick to that way of life, you know?
Yeah.
And obviously me and they're a friend from like however long we're there, you understand? So it's not like I know nothing new, like, you get what I mean? It's a regular thing, you get me? So we just come together and say, you know what? We'll put out Patwah and see what can happen, you get me? And right now, I write us this reach, so later on we don't know where else we can reach. Is it, boss?
Right, Jerome, you struggle to try to hide the little English accent, but you can't get rid of it. I can hear it come out.
No. That's you know, I've been there for a long time, you know. So English and the yard trippy there.
They want to me and him swap accent. They want to own somebody and trust somebody and somebody else like speak
No, man, I like it. But tell me about Patwah Kitchen, Jerome. Let me stay with you a little longer. Tell me about Patwah Kitchen in a serious way.
Yeah, so Patwah was like me and Yardi grow, as I said, and me and Yardi sit down, and my experience, obviously, I've been to the Shard and them places there where I made cook food right there. So we decided to say, yo, we can do something as a team and cook our Jamaican food back to culture, you understand me? And see how it can, because obviously, you know, Jamaican food is nice, you know, but they can't put Jamaican food, make it look so nice. You understand what I mean? They can say, yeah. Want more than consume that. You understand? So
yeah.
It's just putting it with a fine dining of a twist. Because obviously, I learn them way there. You get me up it. Yeah. And a whole heap of food. You know when you're younger, you just slap food on plate and them things there. Yeah. Right now, we have to take Jamaican food and make it liquor and neat. You understand?
Yeah, what the people them like? What the people them like more than anything else? What the people them like?
Well, the salmon and the prawn, them are the maddest thing, you know, to tell you the truth.
Okay.
Like, mad orders for that. You get me?
All right.
Yeah, chicken, obviously, our special here.
Yeah. Harry.
Everything nice on the menu.
Yeah, Harry, Patwah is P-A-T-O-I-S, but you spell it P-A-T-W-A-H. Why?
Yeah.
Why?
That's right. That's the way we say it. It's not how them spell it, it's how we say it.
Yeah.
You see when people say all the way how them spell it in the dictionary, yeah, when you point, you're going to be like, what's that word? Like, can you imagine English people that try to pronounce it, be like, oh, what's patitos? No, a patwah. Yeah? So we spell it how it says. So you cannot mistake it and get it wrong.
All right.
Simple as that.
Yeah. Jerome, who comes to you? It's Jamaicans, it's the Caribbean community, it's English people. Who comes to the restaurant?
Well, I want to say, just because of the variety of people that we have, we know as well. So we know a lot of Jamaican in England here, you understand? Plus, we're there from long, so we go to school with a lot of English people as well.
Right.
Italian, French. Right now, all nations are come for the food, yeah, boss.
We had some Trinidad yesterday.
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's based in South London, you know. Lee High Road.
Okay.
Lee High Road.
Which football team do you support?
Oh, Arsenal, I support.
No, man, you're greatest. No, you're greatest man in the world. Arsenal, I support. Jerome, which team you support?
Liverpool, I best side still.
Well, it's too good team. It's too good team. Hold on, oi. Don't stop the argument. Don't stop the argument, man. All right. I'm going to give it to you 10 seconds to heal up anyone in Jamaica, and then Harry have to take us out with a joke. So, who you want to heal up?
Yo, big up my brother, my grandmother, my family, my Portmore, my friends, them, you see it?
Yeah.
Just know, say, yo, go and do it. You see it, my family?
Yeah. Harry?
No, the whole of St. Elizabeth, big up on yourself. You know, Spice Group, big up on yourself as well. Bertie, big up yourself, brother. Soon show to me. Know your car out, my
phone. Bang! Andrew Bang!
All right, stop in there. All right, Jerome, stop in there. All right, your time now, Harry. Take us to the break with that joke.
My time, you know what I say? It's not even a joke, it's a real thing I tell you right now. You see, in life, people, you see this, you see right now when they bring in this mask thing during COVID time, I don't mind it, you know, I quite like it. To be honest, some people do ugly for out there with their faces out there like that. The mask help. The mask is helping. Not only that, there are some people with some breath out there. The breath is kicking like a football team. No, so you can't out there. So no, you can't smell what we've been smelling for a long time. Keep the mask on. Let's keep this mask going for a long time. People as that.
And you say that with a serious face. Good to see
Of course, coming out rampant.
Good to see the two of you. Now look after yourself. Good luck with the restaurant. Good luck with your stand-up comedy, and just look after yourself. God bless you to you. All right?
God bless up to you.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. From Patwah Kitchen, Patwah, head chef and chief executive officer Jerome Shakespeare, and comedian and food critic Harry White Yardy Gregory. That's it for this week's Diaspora Check-In. I had fun with that. We discussed the challenges of reintegrating juvenile